Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about my face care regimen, and I'm going to be doing some demonstrations throughout the video to show you guys what I do to get my skin nice and clear. First things first, you guys have to drink a lot of water. There's no way around it. You just have to drink water, lots of water. Without water, your skin will never flourish. Next thing, I'm just going to be showing you guys some stuff. Okay, so first I start with this. Now this is a Proactiv cleaner. Now I never really had bad acne, but I do notice around my cycles that I start getting like little breakouts and stuff. So I use this first. You'll see me lathering it up on my face. And then I just kind of scrub it through for a couple minutes before I rinse it off. And you guys can get this on a Proactiv website. It is not that expensive. They do have bundle deals. And then it also came with something else that I don't use, but I do use this toner, and I'll show you what I do next. So after this first one here, and I rinse everything off, I go in with this. This is aloe vera gel. As you know, I love aloe vera. Aloe vera is so good for your skin. You can even use the leaf and just apply it on your skin. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to my previous video on how to make an aloe vera gel, and you guys can find out what I do there. So I apply this to my skin. I let it sit for maybe a minute or two, and then this. Now this is what you use to kind of clean up your eyebrows, as everybody knows, but I use it on my face, and you'll see me doing this in the video. Now, not only does this help your makeup application, it lays flatter, it makes your skin glowy, everything just looks so much better when you use this. Now, you might not notice that there are microscopic hairs on your face. Some women do have a lot of facial hair. This will remove every hair, even hair that you don't even think you have on your face is there. So trust me guys, this works, and it does not take very long. So I use this as like a base, and then I use this, and be very gentle. You don't want to cut your skin. So after I do that, I wipe everything off. You'll see me in the video using these. You can get these from the dollar store. They're just little cotton rounds. And then after I wipe all of that off, I go in with my spray, which is this hemp spray. Now this hemp spray it's a facial mist. It has hemp seed oil and hyaluronic acid in it, which is so good for your skin, you guys. Like, you don't even know, like, this spray is everything. I got this spray really cheap. I got it from City Trends, and I saw it. And it's funny because you guys can get this on Amazon. You can get it at Walmart, but you're going to pay a lot more money for it. At City Trends, I think it was, there it is, $2.99. Still, right? So yeah, so if you do have a local City Trends, you can check, or you can order it off Amazon, or even go to Walmart, guys. It is so good for the freaking skin. All I do is spray this mist on, and you leave it overnight. That's it. And then after I do that, I go in with my Pond's. Now this is a perfect color complex. It's a brightener. It helps get rid of dark spots on your face. You can use this at night or in the morning, but it's recommended to use it in the morning. So like when you get up, you put this on. My face feels so good, you guys. Like, it's so clean, it's so soft, it's like baby skin. Oh, I forgot to mention one thing. This mask, I did use this mask. Now I use this mask after I wash my face. I forgot to tell you guys, left that part out. Now this mask, you can get it off Amazon. It's a green tea mask. It helps with the collagen in your skin. It moisturizes. It makes the skin more plump and supple. You can get this off of Amazon. You can get it out of Walmart, but I looked up and I found it at my local dollar store. You guys, my dollar store is everything. They have everything up in there. I'm trying to tell you, they do. So, and they have different ones. I chose the green mask one, and I've used this one before. You guys, these combinations, my skin is so freaking soft. Like, it's like teenage, fresh, no acne prone, no puberty skin. That's how my skin looks and feels right now. So I use this, And you basically leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. I usually leave it on for 15 minutes. You'll see that in the video. And then I go in with my hemp spray. Okay. And then I go in with my Pond's. Now the Pond's is a little bit more on the pricier side. This is a small bottle. You can get it off Amazon. You guys, no lie, I got this at my dollar store. I found another one. Now when you get these, buy a lot. They're only $1 and they sell out just like that every time they have Pond's. And I did have, I used to use this under eye roller because I noticed when I wasn't getting sleep, I was starting to get like dark stuff under my eyes and I didn't like it. So this will brighten your skin. It will have the collagen in there popping. Your skin will be so much more supple. And I'm trying to tell you guys, okay? So I hope you guys like the video. Go ahead and keep watching if you want to see me do all of these steps to achieve this. So you guys just keep watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell if you would like to get notified when I upload new videos to my channel. And I do appreciate all of my subscribers. You guys leave me some ideas in the comment section. I'll be sure I reply. And you guys have a nice night because I just got off work, so it's not morning time. And see you in my next video. All right, this is Proactiv. This is step 1. It's a cleanser. I'm going to damp my face with water, with warm water. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my skin. See me? You just lather it up for 1 to 2 minutes. Get in there really good, guys. You want to make sure your pores are nice and clean. So just keep scrubbing. Try and get every area, even your neck. A lot of people don't clean like down their neck. Get your neck. And just keep scrubbing. It has like little micro beads in it. I'll leave the link to the Proactiv site in the description box for you guys. Scrub away. And then after you're done scrubbing, we're going to go ahead and rinse the skin. I wanted to make sure I got really in there, you guys. And don't forget, the key is water as well, you guys. You can do all of these things and not drink water, and you're not going to get the results. So I washed my face, and now I'm just wiping it down with a cotton swab. See? All right, just dampen it down, the excess water. And now I'm going to go in with this aloe vera gel, you guys, that I explained in the beginning of the video. All of these products will be listed in the description box. So just go ahead and apply it all over the skin. Get every area, because this is going to act as our base to do what I'm about to do next. Once you got that all over your face, you want to go ahead and get this thing. Now that is an eyebrow shaver, but as I explained in the beginning of the video, it is absolutely imperative if you would like your makeup application to be flawless. You will never know that there are microscopic hairs on your face, and some women actually do have facial hair. So go ahead and be careful not to cut yourself. And this is something that I don't do every single time I wash my face, you guys. And I don't do the mask every time I wash my face. I do the mask about once a week with these steps, minus the shaver that I'm using. So once a week with the shaver and the mask with all the other steps. You just want to be extra careful not to cut your skin. And the mask will be coming up here in just a second. And I don't know if you guys could see it, but there were little hairs. I wish I would have zoomed in. There were little hairs on that little shaver. It was so crazy. But it left my skin, you guys. My skin with all those steps, it was so super smooth. Be careful not to chop those baby hairs. We all know we like the baby hairs. So don't cut the baby hairs. And don't cut your eyebrow. And excuse my eyebrow, guys, it's growing back in. So just cut away. And I even was using it down my nose. Make sure you just get all of the gel off. Wherever there's gel, you didn't use a shaver on. So that's how you can tell which spots you missed. You'll get a really nice, smooth, baby soft skin. There we go. Down the chin we go. Okay. Now I'm just going to wipe that off with my little round cotton swab that I showed you guys in the beginning of the video. Go ahead and just wipe that down real good. Make sure everything is nice and dry. Now this next part is weird, but trust me, it works. Now this is the green tea mask that I was telling you guys about, and I'll leave that in the description box as well. Open that thing up. It's gonna look real super crazy, y'all, but it works. So just open it up. I look like a freaking animal with this damn thing on. Put it on your face. There are holes where it's aligned and all that, so it's pretty simple. And I didn't show this off on camera. Off camera, I just kind of massaged it in as it was on my face. And you want to leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes. I usually leave it on for about 15 minutes. It just made my top lip disappear. I look so crazy. So just let that time tickety tick. And in the YouTube world, of course, I'm not going to sit on camera for 15 minutes. So there I go. I did take it off and I just rinsed it and dried my face. Now this is a Proactiv toner. And you're going to use that toner on your skin right after you remove the mask, rinse it and damp dry it. Now this just sets everything in your skin, and it also removes any leftover dirt or impurities that was on your skin, and it also fights acne. So you just wipe that on your face. I use that in my everyday skin regimen. And you can see it was a little dirt still left on there. Now this is the hemp spray that I was telling you guys about. It does have hyaluronic acid in it. I love this spray. I use this every time I wash my face, usually overnight. And then you're going to let that dry. Make sure that is dry, guys. Let it dry, dry, dry. Okay. Now I'm going in with my Pond's. This is a cream and it's a brightener. It's recommended that you use it in the morning, but you can use it at nighttime, or you can use it both if you have really severe dark spots on your skin, and if your skin is not as bright. You want to brighten it up. You want to put this on. Just massage it, gently massage it into the skin, all over the face, especially under the eye if that's your problem area. I know a lot of women have problem areas with under their eyes, so just go ahead and massage that completely into the skin. Look at that. Nice and soft, you guys. My skin was so freaking soft. You don't even understand. My skin was so soft. And that's the end of the video.